Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta soup. Begin by sautéing onion and garlic in olive oil until soft, then add carrots and celery and cook briefly. Pour in broth and canned tomatoes, bring to a simmer, and add small pasta shapes. Cook until pasta is al dente, season with salt and pepper, stir in fresh herbs, and finish with a splash of lemon and a drizzle of good olive oil. In this video, I will show how to make pasta soup. Start by prepping your veggies. Dice onion, carrot, and celery into small pieces for even cooking. Measure broth and open your can of tomatoes so everything is ready to go. Having pasta portioned helps prevent overcooking, and keeping herbs on hand makes it easy to finish the soup with fresh flavor. This prep saves time and keeps the soup consistent. In this video, I will show how to make pasta soup. Quick recommendation: life is short, so pick darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for long kitchen shifts and noodle-stirring marathons. They feel great, last forever, and pair perfectly with cozy soup nights at home. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pasta soup. Sauté onion and garlic first, then add carrot and celery to release sweetness before adding liquids. Simmer the broth and tomatoes to concentrate flavor, then add pasta and cook only until al dente to avoid sogginess. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, or acidity with lemon at the end. Store pasta separately if planning leftovers to preserve texture and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.